Hello, class 9th. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today's chapter is Number Systems. In this chapter, we will be able to understand, rationalize the denominator, and law of exponents. So, let's start. Our first topic is realization, the denominator. अब क्वेश्चन आता है कि क्यों हम डिनोमिनेटर को रियलाइज करते हैं. इसका सिंपल आंसर है कि हमें अपने डिनोमिनेटर में रूट नहीं चाहिए, राइट? तो इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं रूट को न्यूमरेटर से एज वेल एज डिनोमिनेटर से सेम रूट को हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. तो हमारा जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो सिंपल नंबर में आ जाता है, यानी रैशनल हो जाता है, क्योंकि हम जानते हैं कि हमारा रूट का नंबर इररेशनल होता है. लेट्स सी अनदर क्वेश्चन. As you see, we have a question 1 upon root 7 minus 6. As we know, हमें डिनोमिनेटर में रूट नहीं चाहिए, पर यहाँ पर साइन भी इंक्लूड है. तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं अपोजिट साइन के साथ विद द न्यूमरेटर एज वेल एज द डिनोमिनेटर. नाउ वी सॉल्व द इक्वेशन एंड वी गॉट द आंसर. Our next topic is term base and exponent. What is the base? As you see on the screen, 2 is a base and 3 is exponent, जिसको हम power और index भी कहते हैं. Now let's talk about the exponent rule. There are many rules like product rule, quotient rule, power rule and so on, as you see on the screen. Let's solve these rules with some example. As you see, on our left side there is a law and our right side there is a example. As you see, 2 power 3 and 2 power 4. What we have to do? We have a same base. Now we add the powers 2 power 7 and then solve it. In second, the power is inside the bracket, the other power is outside the bracket. When we open the bracket, we multiply the power as you see. Third, we have a power 20 power 3. What we have to do? We split the number and power individually. जैसे 2 की power 3 multiply 10 की power 3 and then solve and we got the answer. Our next question is 2 upon 5 power 3. What we have to do? We break 2 की power 3 and 5 की power 3 and we solve the individually. In second, 2 power 5 and 2 power 3. Here is a quotient rule. What we have to do? We have to minus these power because the base is the same. The next rule is when we have a minus power, what we have to do? We reciprocal the number. The last, a power 0. नंबर कितना भी बड़ा हो, लेकिन अगर पावर 0 है तो आंसर 1 हो जाता है, as you see on the screen. Please do all related questions from the book. Thanks for watching and please don't forget the like button and subscribe our channel so you got all the notifications. Thank you.